make a base out of the threads, and then on that base I will sew on crystals and seed beads. For it I will take this kind of threads. This is Gutermann threads, cotton threads. You can take any threads what you have at home. Sewing needle. This kind of scissors I bought from AliExpress, and I'm very happy about them. I will leave link below this video. And all other materials what I will use in this tutorial you can find in description below. Make a knot on one of the threads, and I will start secure your thread. I have this kind of thread. Actually this is the thread for knitting, but I will use it for embroidery. First of all, we will need to secure our thick thread by passing from the beginning couple of times to secure it. And what we will need to do is take our thread, needle, make a round and sew it on. Again, needle goes in the front. You do as a turn on the needle and you sew it as it is to the felt. Again. You go around with the thread this way. You can do it even 2 times if you want, but I will make one round and I sew it to the felt. Continue the same. Follow the lines. Don't forget to pull. When you do a round, you pull the thread and then you sew it on. If your thread is going out this way and it's too much, you just sew it to the felt with the thread this way. So now I will finish this part of my embroidery. So I cut my thread. I do a couple of last stitches. And I will secure this tail in the middle of the embroidery. I will secure my thread and will cut it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye!